Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today I am going to start our new lesson, force, work and energy. Firstly, I am going to start with force. Yeah children, generally what is a force? Force is required to push and pull something. Here you can see the person is going to push the object and other side the person is going to pull the object. Clear? Here the person is going to hold the handler and pull towards himself. Here the person is on the other side, the person is going to push the object towards the other side. Clear children? That means this is the variation between pull and push. Here you can see the trolley. Generally we use this trolley in supermarkets, right? Here one character was created named Ritu. That Ritu able to move the trolley in the supermarket. For this she applied force to move the trolley. She moved the trolley by pushing and pulling the. Clear? Do you think that she apply force while lifting the chips packet? Means definitely as force is required to lift any set of a object, right? She pulled the chips packet towards her. That means both pushing and pulling has done in this supermarket by Ritu. That means she applied some certain force. Clear? Let me see some more examples of force to be applied. Here you can see a car, right? It is in a rest position. Clear? That means force should be applied to move an object from rest. Clear? And also what happened if we are going to apply more force on a pedals of the moving bicycle? That means it can speed up. It will increase the speed of the bicycle. Force can be applied to increase the speed of the bicycle. What happened if we are going to apply force on a ball? Here you can see the person, he is going to stop the ball by applying some certain force. Clear children? Here you can see that force is applied on a swing. It can either increase or decrease the speed of the swing, right? That means it can slow down or it can fast up. This is the variation that force is applied. What happened if we are going to squeeze the balloon? It can change the shape of the balloon. That means force can also change the shape. Here you can see the cricketer, right? He is going to hit the cricket ball with a bat. That means he is applying the force so that it will change the direction of the ball. That means force can also change the directions. These are the some of the examples that force is applied on certain objects. Clear children? That means force is required to move an object from rest. It can speed up, stop, slow down, and also it can change the direction of a moving object. It can also change the shape of an object. Let me move to the topic of work. Yeah children, work is said to be done when force is applied on an object, and it can also make the object to move through a distance. Yeah children, I already said that I created a character named Ritu, right? Did the work is done when she moved the trolley? That means definitely yes. She moved the trolley through a distance in different directions in a supermarket. Hence, the work is said to be done. Here, work is done equals to force into distance. That means this is the formula for work to be done. I already said that Ritu has applied some force, and also Ritu has traveled through the distance in a supermarket, and also she changed the directions of the trolley. Means work is done here. And one more children, Ritu was unable to move the trolley. Then it is considered that work is being done. Work is not done here because she was unable to displace the trolley or the object. Hence, here two conditions are needed to be satisfied. That means the work to be done means force should be act on an object. That means she did not apply any force on an object. Why? Because she did not move the trolley only. Clear? The object must be displayed from this position. The object is not displayed from the position. There is no change in its shape. Clear, children? That means no certain force is applied by Ritu in this condition, and also she did not move the trolley. That means work is not done in these two conditions. I hope that everyone understood the topic of force and work. In later on session I am going to explain about energy. Thank you. Have a nice day.